Hi, this is Chet Kuhn with Medicare Hero, and I cannot tell you how excited I am to bring you this video today on the best dental insurance we have ever found. Now, in the next couple of minutes, I'm going to show you exactly the reason why our clients love this plan so much and how it'll save you money by filling the gaps in your Medicare coverage. Now, here at Medicare Hero, dental insurance is the #1 most requested insurance product we get asked for from our clients. So why is that? Well, it's because dental work is expensive, no matter which way you cut it. The average cost for X-rays and cleanings, and these costs are here in Texas, about $130 to go get X-rays and cleanings. Fillings, $160. Crowns are over $800. So if you go to the dentist a couple times a year for cleanings, maybe you have a filling or even crown, bridges, or even dentures, these costs really add up quickly. The problem is little to no coverage is provided by Original Medicare. So if you're on Medicare, your Original Medicare, that red, white, and blue card, it covers little to no dental coverage. The only thing it covers is major illnesses or accidents when it comes to your dental needs. So if you were to get in a car wreck and you needed jaw surgery, Medicare would cover that. Or if you needed an extraction before a surgery, it would cover that. Routine cleanings, fillings, crowns, dentures, nope, doesn't cover it. Well, a lot of people would say, but my Medicare supplement plan would cover it, or my Medicare Advantage plan would cover it. Well, Medicare Advantage plans, they might cover a little bit of preventative dental. Typically, if it's included in a Medicare Advantage plan, you might have $100, $200 a year in benefits, enough to get you maybe a cleaning or two. It's always worth checking in your particular Medicare Advantage plan, but typically they do not provide full dental coverage like we're used to. Medicare supplement plans, they simply supplement what Original Medicare covers. And as we just talked about, Original Medicare doesn't cover those dental services that we need on a regular basis. So a quick example of what Medicare does not cover would be routine checkups, cleanings, fillings, dentures, crowns, implants, all of the things that we most commonly need for our dental coverage, Medicare does not cover. Now the good news, we finally have a great dental plan that provides excellent benefits. Now this plan has no networks. You don't even need to check with your dentist to see if they accept it, because even if you go to a dentist that accepts no insurance at all, won't even bill an insurance company, all you have to do is mail in your itemized receipt to the insurance company, and they'll reimburse you directly based on your actual charges. You can also choose up to $1,500 in benefits for this plan, and you can use those benefits, that $1,500 in coverage per year, not only on dental, but also for vision and hearing services as well. So you can get it for eyeglasses or for hearing aids or hearing exams, eye exams. So you have this great flexible way to use your benefits for the price of just dental coverage, which is just fantastic. This is truly the best combination of premiums and benefits I've ever seen in a dental plan, much less a dental, vision, and hearing plan. So here's how this plan works. It's available to anyone between the ages of 18 and 85. There's no health questions in order to qualify this plan, and you're guaranteed to be able to keep this coverage for the rest of your life once you have it. They can never drop you or cancel you for any reason as long as you pay your premiums. Additionally, you can select between $1,000 and $1,500 in annual benefits, so you can select how much coverage you need. Most of our clients are going for the $1,500 because of it's just not that much more money for 50% more benefits, and I'll show you that here in just 1 second. Additionally, you have one low annual deductible of $100. Now that's $100 for all 3 services combined, so it's not a separate deductible, which is fantastic. There's no waiting period for basic or preventative services for your dental coverage. You can go get your exams, cleanings, x-rays, even fillings or extractions done right away with no waiting period. For major services, they are covered after 12 months. So you can, after 12 months, go get your crowns, dentures, bridges, all of those major things covered. Now, when you go to the dentist, your coverage is going to start off at 60% your first year. Your second year, your coverage increases to 70%. And your third year, it's going to increase to 80%. Now, this is for preventative, basic, and major services. So 80% for basic and major services is almost unheard of. It's great. So the longer you keep this plan, the more coverage you're going to get, but your prices stay the same. So it's important to lock in these prices as soon as you can based on your age. Now, for vision and hearing services, there's, again, no waiting periods for routine exams. Go get your eyes examined, your hearing exams. Go get all that stuff taken care of day one. Glasses and contacts are covered after a 6-month waiting period. So if you don't need to use all of your dental coverage one year, you can use that towards medically necessary glasses or contacts. Hearing aids are covered after 12 months. So again, you can get your hearing exam right away, and your hearing aids, you can get those if you need those after 12 months. Your coverage increases again for both vision and hearing coverage up to 80% after 3 years. So for all three, dental, vision, and hearing, you start off at 60% coverage, then you go to 70%, and then finally 80%. Now, for most dental plans I see in the market, 30 to 50% coverage is about average. This provides 60 up to 80% coverage. Now, because I have clients asking each and every day about this insurance plan, I get to see what the most common questions are. So I want to go ahead and address those here because I know you may be thinking some of the same things. The first one, my dentist doesn't take insurance. No problem. If you remember from earlier, it doesn't matter if your dentist takes insurance, doesn't take insurance. You can use any dentist you want. If you can't talk him into submitting the bill for you, all you have to do is get him to give you an itemized receipt, send it in, and your insurance company will reimburse you. Next, I need coverage for major dental work right now. I need a crown. I need a bridge today. Well, start your coverage today for major services, crowns, bridges, all of those things. There is a 12-month waiting period, but let's get that 12-month waiting period started right now so that we can get that dental work done as soon as possible. And while we're waiting, we can go get all of our preventative and basic services done. Let's go get our cleaning so we keep the rest of our teeth in good shape. Let's get any fillings we need, any extractions we may need. So we can get all those basic and preventative services today, and as soon as you enroll, it starts that clock ticking to getting your major services covered. Now, the last and probably most frequent question that we get about this plan is, the dental coverage sounds great, but I just don't need vision or hearing coverage yet. Should I just take a different plan that only has dental coverage? Well, we're happy to show you those, and you can set them side by side, but what we've found is this plan, if you put the vision and the hearing coverage aside, still provides the best bang for the buck for dental coverage. That's exactly why I'm 32 years old. I have better than 20/20 vision, and I've never had a hearing problem in my life. And of all the dental insurance plans out there, this is the one that I selected to enroll with. See, the good news is you can have the great dental coverage, and we can start those benefits growing every year. And then down the road, if you ever need glasses, if you ever need to get your hearing checked, or if you ever need a hearing aid, you're going to have coverage there. And it's going to be at 60, 70, or even 80% coverage. So by this point, I'm sure you're wondering, how much is all of this great coverage going to cost me? Well, for those of my clients who are new to Medicare, a 64-year-old would pay just $38 per month for $1,500 a year in benefits. Again, most of my clients are opting for the $1,500 in benefits because it only costs about 30% more in premiums, but you get 50% more in benefits. So it's just a better deal. And if you're between 65 and 75, you'd pay just $41 a month for that same $1,500 a year in benefits. Your premiums are locked in on the age you apply. So if you're able to get in for the lower 64-year-old rates, then that's the price you're locked in at. So once you've signed up for this plan, your rates don't go up each and every year. That's why it's important to go ahead and apply and get your coverage before your next birthday and save that money each and every year in the future. Now, while we can't say your premiums won't ever go up on this plan, what I can tell you is the rates have never gone up on this plan so far. The only way they can raise your rates is if they raise them for an entire class, like the state of Texas or everybody who has the plan. They can never single you out for a rate increase based on how much you use the benefits. And lastly, if you would like to opt for the lower $1,000 in annual benefits, you certainly can. It would just cost $29 per month if you were 64, or $31 a month if you are between 65 and 75. Lastly, applying for this coverage couldn't be easier. You have a couple of options. Feel free to give us a call here at Medicare Hero. Our number is 1-888-321-6361. We can help you apply over the phone in under 10 minutes. It's a one-page application. It's really, really simple, and I'm sure you may have some questions about the coverage that we'll be more than happy to answer for you. If you like doing things on your own, feel free. There's an enrollment link below this video. You can enroll 24 hours a day. You just go right in. You can get a quote, and it's just, like I said, a one-page application, and they will mail you your new ID cards. Most people ask about how you pay for this coverage. Most commonly, our clients do a monthly bank draft, although you can pay quarterly, semi-annually, or annually. Monthly bank draft is really the easiest and most convenient, and that's what most of our clients are doing. So lock in your prices before your next birthday. Let's keep those prices down, because once we get in, our prices won't necessarily go up each and every year, which is a fantastic thing. And you'll be able to keep this coverage the rest of your life once you have it. So if you have any questions, just give us a quick phone call. We're always here for you at Medicare Hero. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to talking to you soon.